I needed to hang some seasonal decorations outside, but as we're currently in a rental property, I didn't want to mess with drilling holes into the brickwork and messing up their walls. But then I found these little miracles. They are called brick hooks, and they're from a company called Nasature. I think I pronounced that correctly. And wow, were they easy to use. The bottom part of the hook is flexible but strong, and as you can see, the top part at the back has a row of teeth to grip the top of the brick. You place the hook against the brick like so, and I'm just using a screwdriver to push the hook up from the bottom, and when the top of the hook is level with the top of the brick, just push it into place. As you can see, the teeth are gripping the top of the brick, and at the bottom the flexible bits are keeping the hook in place. So now I get to hang the decoration, and it stays in place. This decoration's made of wood, so it's not light, and the hook seems pretty sturdy. I purchased the hooks from Amazon.com, but I assume some hardware stores will be selling them too. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and thanks for watching.